good cup of joe.
Mr. President, not only do I have an idea, but I have a plan. We need a Hail Mary pass. We need raw power. We need monsters.
But I'm not a monster. I'm just a regular person. I'm not a danger to anyone.
How long will I be here?
Indefinitely.
Can I contact my parents?
Thank you very much, young Alex.
Watch out!
Whoa, look out, Brainless.
Give me that thing! Weapon like this needs to be in the hands of somebody responsible.
This handsome fellow is Dr. Cockroach, Ph.D., the most brilliant man in the world. He invented a scientific machine that would give humans the cockroach's ability to survive. Unfortunately, there was a side effect.
I'm not a quack, I'm a mad scientist. There is a difference. You're going to feel a slight pinch in the brain. Sorry.
Here we have the missing link. A 20,000-year-old frozen fish man who was thawed out by science. He escaped and went on a rampage in his old watering hole.
Hotter than I remember. Has the Earth gotten warmer? That'd be great to know that. That'd be a very convenient truth. Relax. Old Link's got this under control. Luck ain't got nothing to do with it. You really don't get it, do you? No monster has ever gotten out of here. No, he didn't.
We call this thing Bob. Someone get her out of here! A genetically altered tomato was combined with a chemically altered ranch-flavored dessert topping at a snack food plant. The resulting goop gained content and became an indestructible gelatinous mass.
I haven't been outside in 50 years. It's amazing out here.
This is San Francisco. This isn't far from my home.
Feel the wind on your antenna. Isn't this wonderful?